Muskan Goyal, differentiate between the debentures and shares better.
The main difference between debenture and share are as follows. Debenture is that document of the company which is issued by the company under its common seal as a evidence of debt, and a share when total capital of the company divided into different small unit, then each small unit is called a share. Debenture have many types such as convertible debenture, non-convertible debenture, redeemable debenture, non-redeemable debenture, first debenture, second debenture, and share have only two types: equity share and preference share. Return on debenture, interest is paid by
एक
the
मिनट रोक रहा हूँ.
principal.
हाँ मुस्कान.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपसे लूंगा. एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. एनी फोर समझाइए.
Yes, sir. A convertible debenture, a convertible
डिवेंचर नहीं,
preference share, which
प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स.
convertible preference share which can be converted into share after a certain period, and non-convertible preference share which cannot be converted into equity share after a certain period, and redeemable preference share which can be redeemed in the life of the company, and non-redeemable preference share which cannot be redeemed in the life of the company.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स एंड प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स.
Equity shareholder are real owner of the company, and preference shareholder are not real owner of the company. Equity shareholder have voting right. Preference shareholder have no voting right. Equity shareholder can be participated in the management of a company. Preference shareholder cannot be participated in the management of a company. Equity share are more risky. Preference share are less risky. Equity shareholder have
ओके,
right in
नेक्स्ट
dividend and
क्वेश्चन है.
capital.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शेयर्स एंड डिवेंचर में डिफरेंस.
The main difference between share and debenture are as follows. Share, when total capital of the company divided into different small units, then each small unit is called share. And evidence is a proof of loan or debt which is issued by the company under its common seal. And share have two types: equity share and preference share. And debenture have many types: convertible debenture, non-convertible debenture, redeemable debenture, and non-redeemable debenture, etc. And equity shareholder are member of the company and owner of the company, and debenture holder are creditor of the company. Shareholder have voting right, and debenture holder have no voting right.
ओके,
And
फाइन. फाइन. फॉर व्हाट पर्पजेस सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व कैन बी यूज. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व का
for the
यूज किन
following
किन उद्देश्य के लिए किया
purposes,
जा सकता है? हाँ.
premium amount can be used for return of underwriting commission, for return of discount on issue of shares and debentures, for partly paid up share converted into fully paid up share, for redemption of debenture and share, for return of initial expenses and preliminary expenses.
ओके, फाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डू मीन अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन.
Under subscription, when application received by the company at less than the issue of share, then it is called under subscription.
ओके, ओके. व्हाट डू इशू ऑफ शेयर्स एट प्रीमियम.
When a company issue its share to the public at more than the nominal value or face value, then it is called issue of share at premium. No limit of
ओके, व्हाट
premium.
डू मीन कंपनी.
Company is an artificial person or an institution which is created by the law. Company has a perpetual succession, and the company has a common seal, and it has a separate legal entity.
ओके, मीनिंग ऑफ प्राइवेट कंपनी.
Private company means that company which is not public company, in which minimum two members are required, and the maximum member can be become 200, and which is maximum member can be 200. Maximum member can be 200, and which cannot be invite public to purchase of its share.
ओके, फाइन. मीनिंग ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी.
Public company means that company which can be invite public to purchase of its share, and in which minimum members are required 7, and maximum member can be unlimited, and which is minimum paid up capital is 5 lakh.
ओके, फाइन, वेरी गुड. आरसी जैन.
Yes, sir.
मीनिंग ऑफ कंपनी.
company is an artificial person having a separate legal entity, having a separate, and it's having common seal, and liabilities of a person are limited.
Meaning of equity shares?
Equity shareholders are the real owners of the company. Equity shareholders having a voting right. Equity share have real owners of the company. They can take right in the vote. They can write in the management of the company. The rate of dividend is after the preference share, and the rate of dividend is not fixed on equity share.
Okay. Meaning of debentures?
Debenture, debenture is the issued by the company under its common seal as a proof of debt. Debentures is also known as bonds, debenture stocks, etc.
Okay. Differences between the equity shares and preference shares?
Following are the differences between equity share and preference share. Equity shareholders are the real owner of the company. Preference shareholders are not the real owner of the company. Equity shareholders have voting rights. Preference shareholder have no voting rights. Equity shareholders Equity share have right on dividend after preference share. Preference share have right on dividend after equity before equity share.
Okay,
Equity
fine. Fine.
share.
Toshika Agrawal.
Yes, sir.
Toshika, what do we share forfeiture? माइक तो ओपन करो बेटा माइक.
Feature share forfeiture means is when shareholder could not pay his allotment and call money on due date, then their share can be forfeited by the company.
वो जरा माइक है ना थोड़ा सा माउथ के पास ले जाओ, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम स्लो आ रहा है. हाँ.
When any shareholder could not pay his allotment and call money, then his share can be forfeited, and amount from shareholder up to forfeiture of share is seized is called share forfeiture.
ओके. Shareholder account is a real account, nominal account or personal account? Shareholder account.
Nominal.
Sorry. Shareholder account is a पर्सनल अकाउंट. शेयर होल्डर एक पर्सन होता है यार. शेयर होल्डर कौन होता है? पर्सन होता है. पर्सनल अकाउंट है. कौन सा अकाउंट है? चलिए अभी थोड़ी देर से लूंगा तो इसका आपको दोबारा से. तान्या बंसल. तान्या, मीनिंग ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी. वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा बेटा, वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Minimum paid up capital required 5 lakhs. हमारा सर
हाँ अब थोड़ा सही है लेकिन माउथ आपका चेहरा दब गया है कहीं. थोड़ा सा और ले लो ना पास में लैपटॉप को. लैपटॉप का मोबाइल को गोदी में ले लो, अपने हाथ सामने रख लो.
एक मिनट में लैपटॉप से ज्वाइनिंग तो फिर सुनाऊं.
नहीं सुनाइए, कंटिन्यू करो, कंटिन्यू करो, फिर टाइम नहीं मिलेगा.
And minimum paid up capital required 5 lakhs, and its shares are transferable to the public company. And minimum members required 7, and maximum members are required are can become unlimited.
मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स.
Preference shares are those which is not fixed, and sharing dividend and capital for the equity share.
ओके फाइन. प्रियंका कुशवाहा. प्रियंका, मीनिंग ऑफ मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन. मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन.
where any public document of the amount not exceeded amount of any public company no allotment their share and minimum subscription amount not exceeded amount within this the date of prospectus subscription amount not exceeded of the minimum subscription amount on every each share in days minimum subscription amount not written within
Okay, what were registered debentures?
registered venture when any uh, registered venture means is that venture in which means those ventures which are recorded in the register of company between the name of owner and which is and this payment is made on the
थोड़ा सा वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है आज आपका भी। चलिए, आज काफी स्टूडेंट का वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है, तो मैं अब वापस न्यूमेरिकल पे जाता हूँ, जो भी डाउट है उन्हें लेता हूँ। आपने कर ली शायद डाउट आज के लिए थे? अच्छा, आज आस्किंग डे है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, वो पर बात है उनको।
सर
हाँ
सर एक डाउट है।
हाँ बोलो।
एक एमसीक्यूज है सर, ये क्वेश्चन
हाँ
बैंक
बोलो।
का।
हाँ बोलो। अरे क्वेश्चन एमसीक्यू के बाद वैसे पूछ लो, बाद में पहले वो तो मैं कराऊंगा एक साथ। हाँ पूछो पूछो, बाद में अपन कर लेंगे उनको, है ना, ठीक है। अभी थोड़ा सा मेन मुद्दा जो है उसको कर लेते हैं पहले। उन्नति शर्मा।
यस सर।
उन्नति।
यस सर।
हाँ उन्नति, आप सुनाइए मीनिंग ऑफ रजिस्टर्ड डिवेंचर्स। Registered debentures.
Yes sir. Registered debenture means those debenture which are recorded in the register of the company with the means with the
Which are recorded in the register of debenture holders. यानी इट्स देखो, registered debenture are those debentures which are recorded in the register कंपनीज या रजिस्टर होल्डर कंपनी। एक रजिस्टर होता है जिसमें डिवेंचर होल्डर के नाम होते हैं, क्या होते हैं? चलो इतना भी चल जाएगा आपका। अच्छा, अनरजिस्टर्ड डिवेंचर्स।
Yes sir. Unregistered debenture means those debenture which are not recorded in the register, which are not recorded in the record of the company, means name of the company and the owner is not recorded in the register of the company. Its payment made to its holder.
Okay, meaning of preference shares.
Yes sir. Preference share means that share which have right in dividend before equity shares, and its shareholders are not the real owner of the company, and its shareholder does not have the voting right. The rate of dividend in preference share is fixed, and preference shares are less risky.
Okay, meaning of share.
What's up?
मीनिंग ऑफ शेयर, केवल शेयर का मीनिंग बताना।
Yes sir. When a total capital of a company is divided into different small units, then each small unit is known as share. For example, the total capital of BCC Limited is rupees 1 lakh, and it is divided into the different small unit of 10,000, and each unit is of rupees 10. Then rupees 10 is the share of the company. It's called the share.
ओके फाइन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे, क्यूमुलेटिव प्रेफरेंस शेयर। क्यूमुलेटिव प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स।
Yes sir. Cumulative preference share means that share on which dividend is also paid of that year in which company suffered from losses, but such dividend is paid in that year in which company earned the sufficient profit.
ओके फाइन। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट पलक गुप्ता.
Yes, sir.
पलक, मीनिंग ऑफ ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन. माइक ओपन करो.
Oversubscription means is that subscription is not allowed. Equity share is not allow. Means is that equity is uh, mm, क्या पूछे oversubscription means is that subscription
कौन सुनाएगा इसका आंसर? नम्रता सुनाएगी. नम्रता, ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन.
An application received by the public more than the issue of shares is known as oversubscription
बाय द पब्लिक या बाय द कंपनी?
by the company from the public.
From the public, yes. When excess application received from the issue of shares, then it is known as over. कंपनी ने 10,000 शेयर इश्यू किए, एप्लीकेशन 15,000 शेयर के लिए आ जाती है, तो इसे क्या बोला जाएगा? ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन बोला जाएगा. ठीक है. पलक ध्यान दो बेटा, तुम्हारा क्या चल रहा है? पलक किससे बात कर रही है बेटा?
सर वो पापा कहते ये कहते आवाज मत करो, इधर कैमरा ऑन था.
कैमरा तो ऑन था, उसमें कैमरे की बात नहीं हो रही. कौन किससे बात कर रही? पापा से?
नहीं सर, जब मैं सुनाई थी उस टाइम पापा कहते थे, कह रही थी कि मतलब चले जा, मेरा माइक ऑन है, आवाज कर रही थी वो.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. पायल, मीनिंग ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी.
Public company means those company which are not a private company. Under public company, minimum members are 7 and maximum number are unlimited. Under the public company, minimum paid up capital required 5 lakh. Public company can issue share.
प्राइवेट कंपनी का मीनिंग.
Company means those
नम्रता, वॉइस आ रही है क्या इसकी, पायल की?
Yes, sir.
पायल की आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
तो सही से नहीं आ रही.
अब चलिए, जैसा बोलेगी तो खांसी आएगी.
अरे सर यहाँ पर खड़े कर दो, सही आएगी.
अच्छा एक काम कर, तू इस पे आ जा, मैं गलती की ना. एक मिनट. अब सुनाओ पब्लिक कंपनी का मीनिंग.
Public company means those company which are not private company. Under public company, minimum paid up capital required 5 lakh. Under public company, minimum members are required 7 and maximum members are unlimited.
प्राइवेट कंपनी.
Private company means those company which are not public company. Under private company, minimum members are 2, required 2 and maximum members are 200 and minimum paid up capital required 1 lakh.
मीनिंग ऑफ डिवेंचर.
Debenture is a document which is issued by company under its common seal as an evidence of debt.
मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स.
Equity shareholder, equity share means that share which are not preference share holder, which are not preference share. Equity shareholder are the real owner of the company. Equity shareholder have less equity shareholder have the right in dividend before after preference share. Rate of dividend is not fixed under on equity share.
कन्वर्टेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स.
Convertible preference share means that share which are converted into equity share after a certain period.
प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स.
Preference share means that share which are not equity share. Equity share preference shareholder are not real owner of the company. Preference shareholder have less risky. Preference shareholder have the right in dividend before equity share. Equity share rate of dividend is based on preference share.
कन्वर्टेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स.
Convertible preference share means that share which can be converted into equity share after after a certain period.
Participating preference shares.
Participating preference share means that share which can be which can be issued no balance which can be participating preference share means that share which is which can be converted into the writing balancing profit.
द्वारा बोलो.
Participating preference share means that share which after writing balancing profit. Balancing profit means the net profit which comes out after payment of dividend to preference share and equity share.
Difference between equity shares and preference shares.
The main difference between equity share and preference share are as follows. On equity shareholder have the real owner of the company. Preference shareholder have no real owner of the company. Equity shareholder have more risky. Preference shareholder have less risky. Equity shareholder have the right voting right. Preference shareholder have no voting right. Equity shareholder have the right in dividend after preference shareholder have the right in dividend before after preference before equity share. Rate of dividend is not based on equity share or rate of dividend is based on preference share.
Okay. What way forfeiture of shares?
When any shareholder could not pay allotment on call money on due date and his share and his share can be forfeited and his amount received until the date of forfeiture is ceased. Then it is called forfeiture of share.
Minimum subscription.
Any public company cannot be allotted the issue of share whenever minimum subscription amount not received.
Complete करो फिर. Provisions of minimum subscription.
Any public company cannot allot their share to public whenever minimum subscription amount not received. Minimum subscription amount received within 13 days from the date of prospectus. If minimum subscription amount not received within 13 days, then amount received on application will be returned within 15 days. If the minimum subscription not returned within 15 days, then interest charged by 15% per annum. 15% per annum. Minimum subscription amount.
What way issue of shares at premium?
Issue of share at premium means when a company issues the share at more than par value or face value, more than face value or nominal value.
Okay. Very good. बैठ जाओ. चलो रिया. Meaning of debenture.
Debenture is that document which is issued by the company under its common seal, in which includes stock debentures and which is issued by the company as an evidence or debt.
Preference share का meaning.
Preference share means that share is not equity share. Preference share are not real owner of the company. Preference share have no voting rights. Right of dividend. Preference share have right in dividend before equity share. Before the rate of dividend is fixed in preference share. Rate of interest is fixed.
Explain the types of debenture any four.
Convertible debenture क्या है?
Explain types of debentures any four.
The main types of debentures are as follows: convertible debenture. Convertible debenture is such debenture which are converted into shares after a certain period. Redeemable debenture. Redeemable debenture means that debenture which are redeemed or repayment in the life of a company. Or registered debenture. Registered debenture means that debenture which are recorded in the register of a company. First debenture. First debenture means that debenture which are non-convertible debenture.
First debenture means
First debenture means that debenture which are paid before.
सही है, सही नहीं है ना तभी तो। ओके फाइन, बैठ जाओ। चलो खुशी, मीनिंग ऑफ आप तो गुलामी हो रही है। सब बढ़िया एकदम। मीनिंग ऑफ डिवेंचर,
Debenture is a document which is issued by the company under its
मीनिंग ऑफ ऑथोराइज कैपिटल,
authorized capital is that capital which can be used to plan of the company and mentioned in the memorandum of association.
इश्यूड कैपिटल,
Issued capital is a part of authorized capital which is issued to public property.
फॉर व्हाट पर्पजेज सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व कैन बी यूज,
For issue of bonus share premium amount can be used for return of discount and issue of debenture discount and discount for return of underwriting commission.
ओके फाइन। चलो शिवानी, मैं बैठ के सुना दूं। चल खड़ी हो जा, बाकी लोगों ने खड़े होकर सुनाया, नहीं तो लोग जो सोचेंगे बस चिपक गई, बस छोटा ली हो। What will forfeiture of shares?
When any shareholder could not pay the allotment call money on the due date, then a share can be forfeited.
What will surrender of shares?
When any shareholder transfers his share, when any shareholder voluntarily share hand over to the company is for share.
What entity will be passed when application money received?
Application money is when share application amount is bank account debited to share application account, when share application amount transferred to share capital.
मैंने इसके लिए रिसीप्ट की पूछी थी यार, आगे क्यों बढ़ जाते हो? ओके, टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स,
Types of preference share: convertible preference share, non-convertible preference share, redeemable preference share, redeemable preference share, participating preference share, non-participating preference share, limited preference share.
टाइप्स ऑफ डिवेंचर्स,
Convertible debenture, non-convertible debenture, registered debenture, unregistered debenture, redeemable debenture, irredeemable debenture.
व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॉल्स इन एरियर,
Rate
ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॉल्स इन एरियर्स,
10%.
रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॉल्स इन एडवांस।
10%.
चलो आगे पास कर दो। कंपनी का मीनिंग,
Company is a voluntary association which is created by law having a perpetual succession. It is a separate legal entity and having a common seat is known as company.
डिवेंचर का मीनिंग,
Debenture is a document which is issued by a company having a common seal as an evidence when debt is known as debenture.
प्रेफरेंस शेयर का मीनिंग,
Preference share or direct share which is not equity share. Preference share have no voting rights. Preference share is preference share have no voting rights. Preference shares is less risky and preference under the preference share rate of interest is fixed and the preference share is no real owner of the company.
बैठ जाओ, मुझे दो। चलो अब उसे दो शालिनी को, शालिनी लिखती है ना, शालिनी यादव। What do you know? Public what are the differences with private company and public? Difference.
The main differences between private company and public company are as follows. Private company means that company which is not a public company. Public company means that company which is not a private company. Under the private company, minimum members can be become 2. Under the public company, minimum members can be become 7. Under the private company, maximum members can be become 200. Under the public company, maximum members can be become unlimited. Private company invited.
Okay, preference share और equity share में difference.
The main differences between preference share and equity share are as follows. Preference share means that share which is not a equity share. Equity share means that share which is not a equity share. Preference shareholders are not the real owner of the company. Equity shareholders are real owner of the company. equity shareholders have only one kind, preference shareholder have so many kinds. Equity shareholders have voting right, preference shareholders have no voting right. Rate of dividend is fixed on equity share, rate of dividend is not fixed on equity share, rate of dividend is fixed on preference share.
Okay, fine. Mohini Mishra.
So मैं ऐसे सुना दूंगी.
हाँ, तुम्हारी तो आवाज आ जाएगी. चलो. Meaning of equity shares.
Equity share are those shares which are not preference share. Equity shareholders are the real owner of the company. Equity shareholders have the rate of dividend.
Dividend.
Rate of dividend is fixed in equity share.
Rate of equity share पर rate of dividend
Not fixed.
not fixed. हाँ.
Not fixed in equity
Okay,
share.
preference share का meaning.
Preference share is that share which are not equity shares. Preference shareholders are not real owner of the company. Rate of dividend is fixed in the preference share. Rate of dividend.
Dividend नहीं, dividend.
हाँ sir, dividend. Rate of dividend is नहीं. Preference shareholders is not have right in not have voting right.
कुलदीप, तेरी हरकत रिकॉर्ड हो रही है कैमरे में. हाँ. तो ये जो क्लिप्स वाली जो हरकत कर रहा है ना, तेरा कायम रहे. ओह, तेरी रिकॉर्ड हो गई. अभी मैं YouTube पर डलेगी ये वाल.
सुन तो रहे नहीं है सर.
चलो ठीक है, मोहिनी बैठ. वेरी गुड. चलो कुलदीप.
हाँ सर बोलो.
Meaning of debenture.
Debenture means a certain document which is issued by the company under the common seal for recording evidence.
Equity share का meaning. बस equity share का meaning.
Equity share means is that share which are not preference share. Equity share have voting right. Equity share
okay,
are the
preference share का meaning.
Preference share are not real owner of the company. Preference share are not have voting rights, and preference share have many kinds.
Private company का meaning.
Private company means is that company which is minimum member are 2 and minimum member are 2 and maximum director are 3 and private company could not invite the public.
क्या सुना रहा है?
क्या सर?
minimum member are required 2.
डायरेक्टर 3.
maximum member.
डायरेक्टर सुना है सर, मैक्सिमम नहीं सुना है.
अच्छा, मिनिमम डायरेक्टर कितने? 3 नहीं होते ना, 2 ही होते, तभी तो कह रहा था.
होते हैं. हाँ सर.
तुम लोग डिफरेंस में से सुनाने की कोशिश करो तो उसका ध्यान रखना है सेंटेंस का.
हाँ सर.
या तो हर पॉइंट का एंड लगा दो. 2 पॉइंट के बीच में क्या लगानी है? एंड या इट्स लगाओगे, समझे ना? एंड लगाना ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल है. क्या लगाना सही है? सुना द्वारा
सुना.
प्राइवेट कंपनी.
अंडर द प्राइवेट कंपनी.
अरे तो सेंटेंस जब मीनिंग, अरे यार जब मीनिंग पूछा जाए तो प्राइवेट कंपनी मीन्स इज दैट कंपनी ऐसे चालू करोगे.
अच्छा ऐसे करना है.
हाँ, नहीं तो खबर हो जाएगी.
प्राइवेट कंपनी मीन्स इज दैट कंपनी इन विच minimum member are 2 and maximum member are 200 and the private company have 2 director and private company could not allow to public for purchases share. Private company use PVT with his name.
Okay, इस तरीके से मीनिंग ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी.
Public company means is that company which are not private company and public company use public with his name and public company have
public company name public वर्ड यूज नहीं करती, लिमिटेड वर्ड यूज करती है बेटा.
हाँ, लिमिटेड. and public company have maximum 200 members and public company have minimum 7 members.
Okay. Differences between equity shares and preference shares.
Equity share means is that share which are not preference share. Preference share is that share which are not equity share. Equity share have voting right. Preference share have no voting right.
Very good. Fine. Achat Jain.
Oh yeah sir.
हाँ, very good. Achat Jain लीव कर गया क्या? लीव कर गया. रिनी बंसल.
Yes sir.
Meaning of private company.
Private
company means is that company which is not a public company, in which minimum members required 2 and maximum members
आप हिल ज्यादा रही है, सुना कम रही हो। ऐसा लग रहा है किसी मस्जिद में बैठ करके नमाज अदा कर रहे हो।
in which minimum member required 2 and maximum member can be become 200 and
चल हिल के सुना, हिल के जल्दी आ रहा था मेरा। चल
in which directors are 2 and
चलो ठीक है। अंजलि शर्मा।
Yes, sir.
Difference between private company and public company.
The main differences between private company and public company are as follow: minimum under private company, minimum 2 members are required. Minimum in public company, minimum 7 members are required. In private company, maximum 200 members, or in public company, maximum members unlimited. In private company, in private company, minimum paid up capital 1 lakh. In public company, minimum paid up capital 5 lakh. In private company, issue of member cannot be transferred. In public company, issue of member can be transferred. In private company, not
क्या सुना रही है तुम?
public for purchasing the
एक मिनट सुना क्या रही हो? सही तो सुना रही है सेंटेंस। तो पब्लिक और प्राइवेट और पब्लिक वर्ड को बार बार यूज करके तुम सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज कर रही हो, या तो होशियारी ज्यादा दिखा रही हो। उसमें लिखा है गलत ही है, ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर। देखना, इन प्राइवेट कंपनी शेयर कैन नॉट बी ट्रांसफर।
मैंने ये नहीं बोला सर, मैंने बोला था इन प्राइवेट कंपनी शेयर मेंबर ऑफ शेयर कैन नॉट बी ट्रांसफर, ये बोला था।
अब पब्लिक कंपनी में क्या बोला?
इन पब्लिक कंपनी मेंबर ऑफ शेयर कैन बी ट्रांसफर।
अब दोबारा सुनो, तो आराम से सुना, साफ साफ सुनाई दे, बड़बड़ मत कर। सुना, कंटिन्यू कर।
In private company, invite the member for purchase, so cannot purchasing the share. In public company, invite the member for purchasing the share.
जे कोई पॉइंट है वो तो जब इन्वाइट करेंगे तो परिचय, जब वो नौता जाएगा तो खाए तो आओ ना, जब नौती नहीं देगा तो खाए का। जो कौन सा पॉइंट है तुम अपने आप को होशियार, तो होशियारी के चक्कर में तुम अपना मसाला गड़बड़ करोगे, तो मुझे पता है। मीनिंग ऑफ डिवेंचर ये आपके लिए सही होगा ना, एग्जामिनर के लिए सही नहीं है। आप अपनी दुनिया में सही हो।
मीनिंग ऑफ लिखाया है, मैंने बहुत सुनाया था।
मैंने ऐसा नहीं लिखा है, निकाल लो। मीनिंग ऑफ डिवेंचर,
debenture is that document which is issued by the company under a common sea as an evidence of debt.
मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर,
Equity share means a debt share which is not preference share. Equity share right in dividend.
मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर, मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर,
preference share means a debt share which is not equity share under
नहीं,
preference
मीनिंग
share.
ऑफ कंपनी,
Company is an artificial person which is created by the under a perpetual entity separate or legal under a common seal.
हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड मैक्सिमम इन प्राइवेट कंपनी?
200.
1% कंपनी का मीनिंग?
1% company means a debt company which means a debt company. 1% company means a debt company which is not private company.
मनोज बंसल ने चार बार ये नहीं लिखाया है कि 1% कंपनी में डेट कंपनी, 1% कंपनी में डेट कंपनी, 1% चार बार नहीं लिखा, एक ही बार लिखा होगा।
Under 1% company, only one director are required. Under 1% company, only one members are required.
लेकिन मेन बात इसके अंदर नहीं है। 1% कंपनी में ये जरूरी होना चाहिए कि जो मेंबर होगा वो इंडियन सिटीजन होगा, नेचुरल पर्सन होगा, हाँ, रिजाइड इन इंडिया, और नीचे टर्नओवर और कैपिटल वाला पॉइंट भी कंप्लीट करना है।
And resident of the company, and resident of the
और
India.
नीचे जो टर्नओवर और कैपिटल वाला पॉइंट कि मैक्सिमम कितना टर्नओवर हो सकता है, मैक्सिमम कितनी कैपिटल हो सकती है, ये पॉइंट जब तक आप कंप्लीट नहीं करोगे तो आंसर नहीं माना जाएगा। चलो अगला क्वेश्चन, टाइप्स ऑफ डिवेंचर्स।
The main types of debenture are as follow: convertible
केवल हेडिंग
debenture,
हाँ,
convertible debenture, unconvertible debenture, redeemed debenture.
अब मैंने कन्वर्टेड लिखाया है तो अनकन्वर्टेड लिखाया है, नॉन कन्वर्टेड लिखाया है? है? ये अन कह रही है तो अब वहाँ गलती नहीं होगी।
नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर, रिडीमेबल डिवेंचर, अनलिमिटेबल डिवेंचर,
अनरिडीमेबल
The main types of debenture are as follow: convertible debenture, non-convertible debenture, limitable debenture, non-limitable debenture, registered debenture, unregistered debenture, first debenture, second debenture, specific coupon debenture, zero coupon debenture.
ओके, श्रेष्ठ गर्ग एक आवाज आ जाएगी यहाँ पे, आ जाएगी। मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स।
Preference shares is that which are not equity shares. Preference shareholders do not have voting rights and they are less risky. Preference shares rate of dividend is fixed and dividend is
ऐसे सुनाओ, समझ आ जाएगी।
सुना रहा हूँ।
स्पीड से सुना, स्पीड से सुना, शुरू से मत सुना।
अरे सुना रहा हूँ। Preference shares are दूसरे which are not
तो बढ़िया, तो इससे सही है।
हाँ तो सर सुनाता रहा हूँ।
हाँ सुना।
Preference shares are दूसरे which are not equity shares. Preference shareholders do not have voting rights. Preference shares are less risky and rate of dividend of preference shares is fixed.
मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स।
Equity shares are दूसरे which are not preference shares. Equity shareholders have voting rights. Equity shares are more risky and rate of dividend on these shares is not fixed.
चलिए सु कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर्स।
Convertible debentures means that debenture which can be converted into equity shares.
नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर।
Non-convertible debenture means that debenture which cannot be converted into equity.
Differences between the surrender of share and forfeiture of shares.
The main difference between surrender of share and forfeiture of share are as follows. Forfeiture of share is dependent by the company and surrender of share is dependent on the shareholder. Under the forfeiture of share, notice given by the company to the shareholder. Under the surrender of share, notice given by the shareholder to the company.
Meaning of debentures.
Debenture is a document as a proof of debt which is issued by the company. Debenture holder is known as the creditor of.
Meaning of reserve capital.
Reserve capital. Reserve capital is the part of uncalled up capital. It can be under this capital only those amount is included which can be received at any time or at any
ये क्या सर है? Reserve capital means that capital which is part of the and it can be called up at the time of binding of company. ठीक है, बैठ जाओ, वेरी गुड। चलिए 5 मिनट का ब्रेक से ले लो, उसके बाद मैं चलाऊंगा BST की तरफ, ठीक है? और ऑनलाइन वाले रीजॉइनिंग देंगे।